Alright guys, welcome to S&S RC Plane. We upgraded the UMX slow stick with some lights. Let's see how it flies. Waiting for it to arm. There we go, it's armed. What do you think of them lights, guys? That'll cut off. That's the light upgrade, Tower Hobby sells. Did some repairs to this wing spar, hoping the rudder stays working. New wing, light upgrade. Let's see how it flies. Oh yeah, recovered. You can't see the branches sticking out. Them lights are pretty good. I got a very small area here and you can't see the branches. Them lights make it wicked visible. That is neat. In the snow. Look at them lights, guys. I like it. My son's gonna love flying this. What do you guys think? You like the lights? It's a $14, $14.99 I think for the light upgrade. Oh, in a tree. Crash! Throttle cuts on. Won't be no damage. Alright guys, well I hope you like that. No damage. Props in the snow. We'll dig that out. What do you think of the lights? Thanks guys, till next time.